Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra model appeared on the Walmart website before its official launch. On the other hand, despite the titanium frame, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is no different from the Galaxy S23 Ultra in terms of weight. The famous tech insider revealed new details about the future Samsung flagship. A real working Galaxy S24 Ultra model. A real working Galaxy S24 Ultra model is already in the hands of ICE Universe. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. The informant, known on Weibo under the nickname ICE Universe, already has a real working copy of the Galaxy S24 Ultra in his hands. In the picture, it is shown next to the render, but for security reasons, the insider blurred out the photo of the real smartphone. At the same time, ICE Universe shared his feelings about using the new product. According to him, the body of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is wider, shorter, and thinner than that of the Galaxy S23 Ultra model. Due to this, the weight distribution has changed, and the illusion has appeared that the Galaxy S24 Ultra is lighter than its predecessor. In fact, the actual weight is the same as the Galaxy S23 Ultra, although it was previously reported that due to the lighter titanium frame of the case, the new model will be slightly lighter than the Galaxy S23 Ultra model. On the other hand, if there were not enough leaks about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra model, it has now appeared at the Walmart website. The smartphone is still a couple of weeks away from being officially presented, but there are no longer many secrets about its features. As we can see on the American retailer's website, the device appeared in its version with 256GB of internal storage in titanium black. In addition, it appears with 12GB of RAM and is from the telecommunications company AT&T. At the time of writing, the website is still up showing the phone. As its names indicate, Live Translate will allow to speak foreign languages instantly, directly from the Samsung phone application. Nightography zoom will allow us to take better photos at night or in low light conditions, while generative edit will allow us to move or delete objects. The phone appears out of stock, but this Walmart leak confirms everything that was expected from the Galaxy S24 Ultra model. The team presentation will be this January 17 in San Jose, California. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.